did a whole hour on
Bank of Canada did some rate cuts. We could talk about that. 50 basis points.
Now I heard that's good. I heard that's a good thing.
It is what it is, and it's a good talking point for some, and it's a good talking point for others to show why things are good or bad. So if you're in a market of trying to get debt, or you have existing debt right now, good for you, especially if it's a floating debt. If it's fixed, you're probably kicking yourself because this thing has been going down and down.
Yeah.
And it continues to go down, and it should be going down even further next year. Now, we were pointing at the Canadian dollar, the weakness of it compared to the United States dollar. The Federal Reserve hasn't been cutting rates as aggressively as the Bank of Canada.
They meet this week. They meet Wednesday.
So there may come a point where they may start playing catch up, because let's be honest, Canada could only go as far down as what? Slightly below zero?
Yeah, probably.
And we're a long way from that. We're 3.25 right now.
The estimation, by the way, in the FES is 2% till 26 or 27, I think. So
as the Fed starts making moves, and the Bank of Canada is going to be either slowing down or stopping their moves because they've been aggressively cutting, then there's going to be a shift in the Canadian dollar gaining value against the US dollar, at least based on that move. There could be others that could dictate where the Canadian dollar is going to. So the Fed hasn't been doing very much comparative.
No, the Fed, I expect the Fed on Wednesday to say they're cutting. I mean, it's priced in basically. They always do what the market likes. But I do expect them to say that, look, we're going to slow down now. You may not get cuts from us every meeting going forward. We think we're in a good spot. Things are trending the right direction. We don't want to overcorrect, and have a good Christmas. Leave some cookies and milk out for the big guy, not Joe Biden, but the other big guy. And enjoy your holiday, but don't look forward to another cut in January. I think that's where the Federal Reserve is. The U.S. economy has been pretty resilient, surprisingly so, in fact. Yeah, I don't know. Like I continue to think that there's the discrepancy between the U.S. and Canada is going to become difficult for Canadians to ignore as more and more investment pours into an investor-friendly United States. Like,